Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on HAFURY GT20. And to do this, we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. So our first one is right here, next one is next to it, and there's also a speaker right here on top of the screen. That's a phone call speaker. And to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, then that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. I don't know why, but the left speaker doesn't work. Maybe that's my phone fault. You can check it on yours. Yeah, but I would say this phone doesn't have a stereo speaker, as the sound is coming only from one speaker right here, and the rest of them doesn't work on this audio. So yeah, this phone doesn't have a stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.